What's up, everybody? So I really need to get a chest mounted camera so I can give you actual bicycle repair tutorials, but in the meantime, so I'm gonna put together this high-end road bike here for this fine gentleman Andre. And guess where I am this time? Look, snow, mountain. I'm up on some Eagle Ridge, Crest, Drive, Nest, Eagle, some Eagle top mountain place. I don't know where I am. I think I'm at the top of South Mountain. Yeah. Yep. I'm in between Salt Lake County and Utah County. So Salt Lake City and